This chow mein is faster than delivery and comes in under $5 a serving. If you've ever ordered noodles and thought, I wish I could make this at home, you absolutely can, and I'll show you how. Here's what you'll need. Chow mein noodles, or thin egg noodles. Chicken thighs, or breast, though tofu or shrimp work well too. Cabbage, carrots, onion, and bean sprouts. Honestly, whatever's in the fridge. And for the sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, garlic, and a bit of white pepper. First up, we're going to velvet our chicken. It's a classic Chinese cooking technique that keeps the meat tender, juicy, and smooth. Even when you're cooking it hot and fast in a wok. Just slice up your chicken thighs nice and thin, then mix them with 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon oil, and 1 tablespoon of water. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Give that a stir and set it aside. That thin coating is going to protect the chicken and give it that signature silky texture you get from a proper takeout. Cut your veggies into strips so they stir fry evenly. I like to have a mixture of crunch and color. Depending on the noodles you have, you might boil them or steam them for a few minutes. You want them just tender, not mushy, since they're cooking again in the pan. Let's make the sauce. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half a teaspoon sugar, one clove of garlic grated, and half a teaspoon white pepper. Stir it up. And set it aside. Heat a pan or wok on high. Add a bit of oil and cook the chicken until golden. Pull it out. And toss in the veggies. Cook until they're just starting to soften. Give it a toss. Now bring it all together. Noodles, chicken, and sauce. Give it a toss. You're looking for slightly caramelized noodles. This right here is comfort food in under 20 minutes. Give this one a try and let me know what you toss in your chow mein. If you like this, check out my ginger beef recipe or gyudon video next. They're perfect for building your own takeout night at home. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.